everyone, it's Andy from Hobby Headquarters. Well, I just got a package in the mail today with some brand new prototype kits from a new company that is going to make a splash on the scene very, very soon here. And the name of this company is called Das Werk, which means the factory in German. And it's a co-op between MBK Distributing, which is Model Baukoning Distributing, and Uschi Vanderrossen. They make accessories and things like that. And these are the first, there's actually 4 kits here. 2 of them are kind of a duplicate of each other, but some really cool and exciting things. They are mixed media in the sense that they're plastic model kits, but they also have some Voyager photo etch inside, metal barrels, and a bunch of other cool stuff, and resin too. That's the other thing inside. I was just briefly peeking inside and very excited about some of these. Now these will all be available. I'm always talking about the United States now. They might already be available in Europe for a while now, but these will be available in the United States very, very soon. And some of your better hobby shops will be carrying them. I know I'll be carrying them, so very excited about these. And you can see we've got some actual vehicles as well as accessories. And from what I understand, they have a lot of other stuff due to come out very soon. So what we'll do is we'll just spend a few minutes and tear apart some of these kits and show you what's inside. So let's get started on it. Okay, one of the first kits that they're going to be coming out with in 35th scale is their German E50 Standard Panzer. And what the E50 Standard Panzer was, at the end of the war, the Germans had an idea that they were going to standardize production of their armor. And they were going to come up with a couple different varieties, an E5, an E10, E25, E50, E75, and E100. Now, many of you are probably more familiar with the E100. It became a little bit more famous because I think there may have even been a hull that they were working on with that. But the E50, the number at the end there was basically going to represent the tonnage of the vehicle. And they were going to use a lot of standardized parts throughout these vehicles so that there wouldn't be so much different production. So this is their first kit, so let's take a look inside. Okay, starting off looking inside, I could be wrong, but I don't think I am on this. The actual instructions and the plastic look like they're actually out of the E50 kit that Trumpeter made, so which would make sense because it was a nice looking kit and they have the general makings of it, so we won't go into too much depth on that and pulling these apart. But you can see we've got all the plastic parts and rubber band tracks. But what makes these kits a little bit different are all the accessories that are going to be coming with it. And to start off with, we've got some resin, these, and some metal for all the tow hooks, things like that. And then a large amount of really beautiful photo etch. So we've got all of our grills here. And this is all produced by Voyager. So Voyager put together some nice sets here. We've got all kinds of grills, and looks like this would be like probably side plate armor, I'm assuming, on it. And we get a few more clear parts for all the periscopes, as well as some metal tow cable. They're including with it a nice aluminum turned barrel. That's really cool. As well as some basic decals for it right there. And then here is your upper and lower hull. Yeah, and then I really truly believe this is the Trumpeter kit, which I haven't been able to get in a while, so this is actually pretty nice that we're going to be able to get this now with all of this extra accessories inside of it. I should also point out too, unfortunately I don't have the retail prices on these yet. These were sent out as prototypes, and because of that there was no pricing in there. The gentleman that sent them out to me said he would have it very soon, and as soon as I find out about it, I'll make another announcement. Now we're going to take actually a look at their very first kit based on the number 3501. This was a Soviet Aerofan, and I was looking through this a minute ago, and this is actually pretty cool because inside the kit there are 2 great sets of decals for basically plywood that I would like to have these just on their own because they're beautiful, and I think that would make a great addition, especially working on possibly the wingnut wings if you needed some plywood on the outside. So first of all, you get two really beautiful sheets of decals, some photo etch parts. Looks like to be some nice stuff, also made by Voyager. There are your Voyager instructions, and then the kit, which once again I believe this is made by Trumpeter based on the kit itself, and it has a figure inside. So I think it looks like to be a fairly simple kit. And yeah, based on these instructions, I've seen this once before, and this should be the Trumpeter kits, but with a lot of extra bonuses in there. And this is another one that I have not seen as a kit in quite a long time, so this will be good to get these back on the shelves. Now, one of the coolest and most exciting things that they've come out with, and these are completely brand new molds, are these basically a set of Luftwaffe jack stands. And these jack stands were used by the Luftwaffe, and I can show you some of the pictures of the real stuff on the back, to elevate their fighters. And it was a way that they'd sometimes want to level out the airplane, you know, to aim the guns, things like that, do maintenance on it. But this was a complete set of jack stands, and all of this is inside there that you can have the wood that would basically go underneath the tail here, and then the two jack stands that would go up in the wheel wells to elevate the airplane. So they've got two different versions of this. They've got the standard edition, which comes with the two little jack stands, two of the bigger ones, and two sawhorses. And then they have the extended edition, which the box art looks the same other than this, but there are double of everything that we just mentioned. So you get four of those, and four of those inside. So I thought I'd just open up real fast and show you the sprue that is inside on the jacks, and just show you that it's a very simple, nicely detailed little piece, but something that would really make things look really good if you're doing a diorama. In fact, when I did that Tamiya 109 G6 on that little diorama, something like this, because of all the panels being open, this would really look cool to have it up on its jacks, all elevated up. Still all the panels open, but just a little bit more interest to the diorama. So that gives you an idea what's going to be inside this kit. And like I said, the extended version is just double the amount of sprues right here. So you get 4 sprues instead of 2. And the number 2 kit that they're coming out with, or the last one that we're going to be showing you guys today, is a Soviet little light truck, basically. And looking through it, it is another Trumpeter kit, but with lots of other bonus stuff inside of it. So you're going to get new resin wheels that are very nicely patterned. You also get photo etch for the inside, some clear parts that make up the dashboard, or printed clear parts. And then the kit again is made by Trumpeter, and that looks like to be the majority of the other stuff inside there. And then of course all the Voyager photo etch that we were talking about, so there's quite a bit on that to really detail it up. Well, there you go, guys. There's a quick look inside of this new Company Das Werk. Very excited about all the things that are possibilities that are coming out from them, plus all the new. Well, there you go, guys. There's a quick look inside this new Company Das Werk. It's exciting to see so many new companies that are coming online and really producing lots of cool stuff that you don't normally see. Now, like I was saying, a lot of these are of the 35th scale kits are the Trumpeter kits, but with a lot of extra accessories and things like that. So very good to see that, and hopefully we'll be seeing all kinds of new Luftwaffe accessories in 48th and 32nd. So this is always, I like doing these videos. It's great to get these out, because a lot of times, I know I used to always look inside magazines or see something and say, ooh, what's this right here? But all you see is a box art on it. So this way we got to open it up, show you a little bit inside. I possibly might be getting a chance to build this one up fairly soon too, so we can, knowing it's the Trumpeter kit, I've built a few of the other E versions a long time ago, so I know how this goes together. They go together really well, and then adding all that extra accessories will really make this kit pop right here. So great to see all this, and I will definitely, as more stuff comes out, as well as the prices, which I just found out, I'll find out what the prices are going to be in a day or two, and I'll certainly put a little note down below in the description to let you guys know on it. So, and I will be carrying them very soon in my store, so any of my locals that get a chance to come in, you can come in and take a look at what I have for these samples here. But if not, we should have them in a few weeks too. So, hey, I want to thank you guys as always for watching, and please stay tuned because we have many, many more videos coming. And hey, if you enjoy watching these videos, seeing all the new stuff comes out, seeing some of the new builds, things like that, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button down in the corner down there, and that way you'll never miss a new video. So, thanks for watching.